Hello, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Car Expert, your ultimate destination for car reviews and updates. Today, we are diving into the compact SUV that redefines luxury and practicality, the Audi Q3. Known for its premium design, advanced technology, and dynamic driving experience, the Q3 is perfect for Indian roads and families. Let's explore what makes the Audi Q3 a standout choice in the luxury compact SUV segment. Body. Exterior design. The Audi Q3 exudes style and sophistication with its modern and sporty design. The front features the iconic single-frame octagonal grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights with daytime running lights, giving it a bold and confident look. Strong body lines, muscular wheel arches, and 18-inch alloy wheels emphasize its SUV stance. The sloping roofline, roof rails, and chrome accents add a touch of elegance to its sporty profile. At the rear, the Q3 boasts sleek LED tail lights, a roof spoiler, and dual exhaust outlets, completing its dynamic design. With its striking aesthetics and refined details, the Audi Q3 makes a strong first impression. Safety and build quality. The Audi Q3 prioritizes safety and reliability, making it an ideal SUV for families. Standard safety features include 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, escape, and hill start assist. Advanced driver assistance systems like park assist, review camera, and adaptive cruise control add to the safety and convenience. The robust build quality and Audi's high safety standards ensure maximum protection for passengers. With its comprehensive safety features, the Q3 offers peace of mind on every journey. Price and variants. The Audi Q3 is available in 2 variants, catering to different needs and budgets. The base Premium Plus variant is priced at approximately 45.5 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, offering essential luxury features. The top-end technology variant, priced at around 51.9 Indian rupees lakh, includes advanced tech and additional comforts. With its competitive pricing, the Q3 provides excellent value in the luxury compact SUV segment. Outro. So, what do you think of the Audi Q3? With its stunning design, luxurious interiors, dynamic performance, and advanced technology, it's a compact SUV that delivers on every front. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring rugged terrains, the Q3 ensures you do it in style. Let us know in the comments if the Audi Q3 is your dream SUV. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Car Expert, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest car reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.